Hi foodies, welcome back to MellowBites, and today we are unboxing two amazing Milton products that are travel friendly and perfect for home use. Let's kick things first off with this Milton Thermowear Insulated Ice Pack Super Chilly. This box is PU insulated and made from BPA-free food grade material, so it's safe and durable. It has an 8-liter capacity, perfect for keeping variety of items chill. The box comes with a very strong handle and an auto lock system, ensuring everything stays secure. It comes in 3 different colors: blue, grey and orange, along with an 1-year warranty. Look at this, it's interesting. The box includes a detailed construction of diagram right on the packaging. Now let's unbox it. Inside we have this bright, vibrant orange, stylish and functional Thermowear Insulated Pack Super Chill 8. The top lid comes out first. We got ours in this bright, vibrant orange. It's more stylish. Let's remove off the wrap around this insulated ice box. Let's see how to lock this. Here's a cool feature, the auto lock system. The lid has a semicircular curves on both sides. Move the handle to the extreme corner of the box first. Then, now fit in the lid, ensuring that the curves align with the handle. Now shift the handle back to the center to lock it securely, and voila, the lid stays locked until you move the handle back to the corner to release it. 2 built-in can holders on the lid are a handy bonus for holding your drinks. This can be used to pre-chill your food or drink for better performance. Add ice packs or the cubes for longer cooling. It's ideal for picnics, road trips, power outages, or simply keeping fruits, drinks and ice cream fresh while on the go. Now let's unbox this second product, Milton Thermosteel Insulated Water Jug Stellar. Now let's take a closer look. This jug is also PU insulated with a double-walled stainless steel interior. It keeps drinks hot or cold for hours. Here they have mentioned the key features like stainless steel body with the PU foam insulation. This has a wider mouth for easy cleaning. Apart from that, there is an important instruction of how to use and how to clean for the first use. Product also come with the 1-year warranty and with 2 different colors, black and grey. Now let's unbox this. The jug is wrapped securely. Let's uncover it. Even the tap has a special protective wrapping. The stainless steel body looks shiny and finished, and the jug is really sleek and compact when you lift it. Now let's remove this tap cover so that we can check how the tap is. This tap has a very simple system of lowering down and moving it up. Look at the lids. The lid opens in 2 sections. The inner lid gives access to the serving cups. It doesn't have 1 but 2 serving cups. It looks more like serving bowls. Maybe it's for multi-purpose use or just to fit inside this lid. Anyways, the outer lid reveals the inner shield and the stainless steel body. Before the first use, preheat or pre-cool the jug by just filling it with hot or cold water for 5 minutes. Empty it out. It's ready to use. This jug is perfect for family road trips, picnics, or keeping drinks ready at home or work. This jug is lightweight, it's sturdy, and offers the best of convenience and performance. Both these Milton products are designed to make your life easier, whether you are on the move or just relaxing at home. This is perfect. If you're looking for functional, high-quality travel essentials, these are a great picks. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let us know your thoughts in comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MellowBites. Meet you in another video. Bye.